Right here, we in the Carabalí Rainforest, so we getting set up. It took them a little while to open up the place so we can get our shoes, but we're getting ready to ride in a few minutes. But I'm ready to see how this gonna go. So right here, they had us try on some helmets, so we all got fitted for our helmets. Now we finna go to these cars and see which cars are. I think we got a UTV, so it's pretty much a four-seater. Even though I wanted to ride on, ATV, but it's cool. So we all finna gather up in here. He finna go over these instructions with us on the do's and the don'ts. Gotta get up in here with my family. So we all finally got up in the car. It took him a little while, but we in there. So Lois just introduced himself, told us who he was. We finna go over everything just for Christmas. So for some reason, our car was a little dirty, but my family was kind of picky. So what they did is they was trying to clean it off themselves since it was a lot of mud. He pretty much told us that it was going to get dirty anyway, so that's what they doing. They clean out the car right now. Then he said it was going to rain, so, it was just like, it is what it is, man. We gonna get dirty, we gonna get wet regardless. So all the cleaning is really gonna be unnecessary. But we finna get ready to ride out pretty soon. I think he finna get on me by holding his camera. But, I'm gonna have to have my mama hold it for me pretty soon. I really hate that I couldn't hold it myself because I really couldn't get all the footage that I really want to get. I'm gonna let y'all finish watching the video. We went over the instructions on how to work the UTV.
Just make sure you turn this.
That's all we was pretty much going over to.
Just make sure the emergency is off. The emergency is on when you turn off the thing, right?
And put it in the machine, the machine has to be on.
Yeah, and put it in the.
We have 4 signs to communicate with you when you're on the field. This means stop.
Okay.
This means come closer. This means slow down. This means go a straight line. And the tour is gonna be on a straight line.
Okay.
Remember, this is a seaside view tour. It's not a street tour. Okay?
I need to take still get the rope?
No le puedo decir. We can be zigzagging, we can be drifting because that can cause an accident.
You said we might start drifting.
If you drift,
And then I'll call you back.
we're gonna give you a warning.
No, I'm saying that's what you said might happen. Or
Might happen, but we can be drifting. Okay?
yeah, I ain't drifting.
That can cause an accident.
Yeah, I ain't drifting at all. I'm saying it sounded like you said this was gonna happen. Like,
No. This is a 4x4 vehicle. It's made for this terrain. Okay? So don't worry about it.
Yeah, so we had a little miscommunication about the drifting and what was gonna happen. Then he told me I couldn't use the phone, so I'm gonna hand it to my mama. And I think about right here, she thought she was gonna fall out the car, so we had to make sure the doors was locked because we was having little issues with locking the doors. And just bear with her because it's kind of hard for her to get the camera steady at first. Then I noticed that the car was in 2-wheel drive, so I had to turn it to that 4-wheel because I need all the traction when I'm coming through here. I'm kind of used to riding like go-karts and stuff like that. But, I just like having control of all the wheels. I don't like that 2-wheel drive stuff. But yeah, we finna get ready to head out. They move a little slow, but this trip right here, I believe it was we paid $44 each. We all pitched in, so I think it was about like 140 something, or it was 140, 150, it was something like that all together for us that we paid for the trip. And this is like a 1-hour ride, so y'all get to see the whole ride, riding through the terrain, as much footage as I can get as possible. Once I pulled off, I noticed the brakes was a little bad. It took me a little second to stop, but I'm gonna make something happen up out of it. I ain't too much sweating. Them brakes bad. the gas pedal bad, I started to feel like you trying to send me on a crash dummy mission, cause it took a little minute to get the gas pedal to work, and I had to dang near Florida to get the car to pull to start driving. So we're gonna see how this turn out. I might have to be a little cautious with my driving, cause it seems like it's a delay in this gas pedal, but y'all finna see.
Okay. I said Chad's not feeling good, so I told him it's okay for him to stay at home. All right. Love you. Tell Dr. One to be on standby. I might need him to take me to the doctor. You hear me?
Right here, we waiting
All
on
right.
to pull
I'm
out.
on the TV.
I ain't even had a whole phone conversation.
I'm gonna go on up.
I'm ready to pull out and get to drive. They just got us healed up, waiting to pull forward. Okay, I guess we finna go now.
What?
As y'all can see, I got my foot on the pedal, pretty heavy, and it's still taking a while to pick up speed. Hopefully when I get ready to Florida, pick up speed a whole lot more. I think this might give us a little issue with staying up with everybody else. Slow. Hey, slow driving, especially in UTVs and go-karts and stuff. We gotta drive a little bit faster but safe. Had to pick up speed. We went to the water. It was just fun. I couldn't wait to do it. vehicle. You know, I got old folks in the car, so, you know, they weren't really feeling the smoke. Snap up a couple pictures at the top of the mountain, then we're gonna pull back out. Now looking back at the video, I don't know what dog up front had going on. He like he going through it, you know.
It's a National Rainforest. It's the first. Let me know. Okay? Okay, you can do it like that. It's gonna roll back just slightly a little bit. So don't worry. You guys, if you need a picture together, let me know. Okay?
Okay,
that's what we're
thank
here
you.
for. We gotta ship the water before it starts getting hot.
Now, stand up straight. No, y'all, let's take pictures. Right, come over here.
So we got a chance to take a group picture right here. Nice little shot. Now we finna get back to it. All this pretty nice. If anybody's ever traveling to Puerto Rico, I suggest you check this spot out. For real. See, I was trying to get the camera on, make sure the camera was right, because it's part of the reason why we're doing a lot of glitching right now, because I couldn't get it to hold it steady, and I'm trying to get everything in 4K view for y'all.
We probably end up going slow because the other car drives slow.
Don't pull it. Don't pull it. No.
I can't just, what's my,
They driving too slow.
if I'm going where I know, you can hard drive too.
No. Let me get in.
They ain't trying to drive fast. That's the problem. They put us behind. I got it.
Our second stop. I thought this was the end of the route for a minute, but we finna get out, take a couple of pictures, and get us something to eat, some snack on. I'll keep y'all posted.
Guys, if you need anything, let me know, okay? I'm up here right here.
Be careful, Ray.
I'm out here somewhere in the rainforest to walk around. They got like a place up there to where you can go eat, but I'm finna go to the water real quick. Yeah, y'all know I'm a professional YouTuber now, and it's beautiful. And it's beautiful.
What is he doing? Getting food? He's getting food?
I'm about to head up to the building and see what they got all up in there. See if it's something I can snack on. I done went completely plant-based, so I might can't have nothing up here. But it's a restaurant right here. Hey, how you doing?
Everything good?
I ain't trying to get hit with that copyright infringement, so I had to take out the sign. They ended up turning on the music right here. But yeah, it was a real cool spot. I really couldn't eat nothing because they ain't had nothing for plant-based people. But yeah, it's dope. I suggest y'all check this spot out.